Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how easy and fast it is to make this delicious dip with just 4 ingredients. This is a perfect creamy dipping or dressing sauce for many recipes such as kebab, pizza, fritters, chips, meat or fish, an alternative to the famous mayo ketchup or pink sauce from Puerto Rico. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 pinch of salt, 8 spoons of garlic infused olive oil, a pinch of pimentón de la vera or smoked paprika. Hot sauce is optional, an electric blender or immersion blender, but most important, a lot of fun. Let's start by infusing the olive oil with garlic. Mince between 6 to 8 garlic cloves very fine, and then add them to a mortar. Heat some olive oil and add the oil to the garlic. Ta-da! Start by blending all the ingredients in a cup or a bowl. Start adding the salt, then add the garlic oil. Leave the pimentón de la vera for last. Just mix it all real good al son de un merengue. This dipping sauce comes handy when you have a last minute get together and you want to show off your culinary skills, you weekend warrior chef. I usually use it for dipping potatoes or plantain chip, but it's also good for fritters and veggies. It's simple, easy, and fast to make. If you're planning ahead that get together with friends or family at your house, if you leave it overnight on the fridge, it will intensify the garlic flavor and become the legendario of the dipping sauces. This sauce also makes as a great dressing to any salad, but it's mostly used as a dipping sauce. Get some fritters, some chips, some veggies, and give it a try. Just make sure you blend all ingredients really good. Try it to see if it needs anything you would like to add. You're the chef. This is the Traveler. Thanks for watching and buen provecho.